Wait, YOLO niggas.
Alright, this is fun. Alright, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna try and touch this really high branch up here. Just like really high up. I can see you. Whoa! No. Oh, so close. Yes, you got it! I got it! Yeah! Oh, you got it! I could have grabbed the branch. Yes! Oh my God!
He's got it.
I got it!
He's got it.
Oh, I ripped it out. It would have been awesome if I grabbed the branch. Alright, we're stopping it there. Bye!